So welcome to this project. Today we are going to go over the project for the Java servlets and JSP. So this project, I made a simple web development checklist, which is an expansion on a previous project that I've done. And basically what we have here is the logic for the program. I have two constructors that use Java's method overloading um, to be able to use two different servlets using the same Java logic. Um, I have gotten rid of the set methods because I want it all to be controlled through the constructors. And then I have or four rather, methods that I've created here. One is to determine from the string input that I'll receive from the web form in the input.jsp. Um, I will turn that into a Boolean through this method here. Then what's going to happen is I'll use that Boolean in the setting of the instance variables for the class. Um, so that I always have booleans to be able to check. Then I'll have these other methods here, the redirection managers, which are also using method overloading. And they are going to take in those boolean values and then be able to evaluate where the path should redirect inside of the uh, servlets. So basically, if the checkboxes in the JSP file are checked, then depending on which ones are checked, we will receive a different result .jsp file to go to. Further, we will have this one that's doing it again for the second servlet. And then we have another one that's going to give us messages to display onto the page. So the servlet for the first form is here. Basically, we're just checking to see if the checkboxes are checked, and then we're going to throw that into the logic, and then we're going to be able to assign these to some strings and pass those strings then into our attribute and our request dispatcher methods. The same thing is basically happening here, except we don't send in a message in this one. So let's run this and demonstrate how it works. And here we go. So this is the form. I've made sure to style it and make it look nice. So basically, if you don't check any, let's submit it, basically you'll get this response. However, if you select one, you'll get a different response. And if you select both, there's your third response. Then the second form is basically, if you don't select it, it'll just redirect you again back to this exact page. However, if you do check it, it'll take you to the resources page. And this is using a secondary servlet. So two different forms, two different servlets. And yeah, that is basically the web page that I've developed for this assignment.